promote the products and services. Okay. So now, how do we promote the products and services? Is very simple. I'll tell you. So let me give you an example. So I showed you an example of this SMMP. Okay. Anybody who is interested in social media marketing, would they be interested in probably, like maybe starting their own, e-commerce store? Like somebody who's interested in social media marketing, can they be interested in? I mean, they might or might not, of course. But is there a possibility that they might be interested in kind of starting their e-commerce store? Yes, no. See, just yes or no, right? Anything related, or maybe let's say if social marketing, will they be interested in probably learning about, let's say, advertisements, or let's say Google Ads? Somebody who's doing social media, would they be interested in learning Google Ads? Give me a yes or no in the chat box. Yes or no? They might be interested in learning Google Ads as well, right? Because these people are trying to learn something for free, right? Yes, Google Ads. Lovely. So now what we tend to do is we tend to promote certain offers like this, which are highly congruent. Congruent means like offers which they might, and this is how we promoted one of the products. Okay, one of the products, which was reseller, of course. We go to reseller dashboard, and we go into, let's say, some university. This is how we promoted that, and then people purchase it. Okay, and we were being paid certain amount of commissions, probably 40%, as far as I remember. We sold lakh rupees worth of this content. Okay, lakh rupees worth of this particular Ecommerce university. Then we have promoted other things as well. We promoted another agency course as well, I think so, recently. This one is not exactly right like this. Check this out. It's right here, somewhere around 11K. But honestly speaking, this is more than 11K. We generated 1.5 lakh rupees in sales because we kind of different. We tracked it manually and we didn't track it with the link. So we made 1.5 lakh rupees in commissions in 1 week. So anyways, so talking about these examples, this is called a membership lock-in, or maybe like a evergreen process of actually promoting a product and service. Okay, so product and service. Now, so guys, I want you to type the three steps. Type the 3 steps in the chat if you've understood how to actually sell a product online as an affiliate. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. I want you to write it in the chat, Q&A box basically, so that I know that okay, you have understood. Step number 1 is build a write it down. Step number 2 is build an audience. Okay, now yeah. So okay, so I missed the part of build an audience though. Okay, let me frame it for you. Maybe okay, call it a lead magnet. Second is build a lead magnet. Sorry, an audience. Third is build trust. Fourth is promote products. Okay? And fifth is you take feedback and improve, of course. Like this is like 4-5 different like steps which you can use. I hope this is going to help you. All right, then let's talk about the next one. So anybody, let's now take another example, another funnel I'm going to explain to you with the help of a live case study. Now let's assume you have opted for this free webinar. Is there a possibility that in your lifetime you might have also opted for another free webinar? Give me one into the chat box. Give me one into the chat box if you feel that yes, if you have opted for this free webinar, there is a possibility you might have opted for another free webinar as well, right? Yes or no? Let's say now you opted for 10 different webinars. Example, like let's say you opted for 10 different people audiences. Like let's say there is me, then there is Roshni, then there is Karan, then there is Indra, then there is Sameer, then there is Shashwat. All right, you opted for different people's email list. Now all, let's say 10 people promote to you the same product. So will there be competition? Will there be competition? Like one person, 10 promoters promoting the same affiliate product. Will there be a competition? Will there be a competition? Yes. Makes sense, right? How do we beat this competition is something we are looking at. Now I want to beat this competition to the dust. Okay, and this particular strategy, which is called as Bonus Wizard, is that strategy which will help you to beat the competition, no matter how fierce the competition may be. Still, you will be the winner as an affiliate. Okay, cool. Excited to know about it? Let me help you. Let me help you to show that to you. So we go with iSlick. Okay, so we promoted one of the products in which we made $3,500 in commissions. $3,500 means somewhere around probably 2 rupees in commissions, and this product is called iSlick. Okay, iSlick. Now I'll give you the link. I've already dropped the link earlier as well, but giving it again for you. So now, if you scroll this page, this is a Bonus Wizard page. Let's say if 10 different people are promoting the product, how do we differentiate ourselves so that people buy from us and not from others? We differentiate with something called as exclusive bonuses. Okay, we do exclusive bonuses. Now our team actually goes ahead and researches that what kind of different bonuses. Somebody is doing camera, right? We're promoting a camera. Now obviously enhanced photography tips is, would they also be interested in all the, probably a tool? Let's say we build a toolkit where we talk about all the accessories, okay, and the cheapest places where they can get them. Like all accessories required for the camera, like let's say the lights, the green screen, the stands, the tripods, and we make a list and we understand all of it. We stuff them up with the cheapest way possible to actually acquire this particular list. We make this bonus, right? This is another bonus. Just give you an example of how we come out with bonuses. Now we think more expensive, more horizontally, and we try to find out bonuses which could actually go with this particular product. Now our team will go and kind of compile these bonuses, and then we are going to offer exclusive bonuses, which are going to be only from our team if they buy from. For example, check out exclusive bonuses from Team Hyam, Roshni Dal and Gaurav Madan, and then we say bonuses. Bonus number 1, okay. Bonus number 2, okay, and then bonus number 3, and then we say, in order to claim your exclusive bonuses, please forward your receipt to gm@gauravmadan.com. Okay, or I@rosnidal.com or gaurav@hyam.com. Right? So what we're trying to do is we're trying to go ahead and incentivize people to take action. Now let's say out of 10 people who are promoting, if your bonuses are the strongest, who will win? First thing first is nobody gives bonuses. Okay, that is first thing first. We are already doing one step ahead. And let's say if other people are also giving bonuses, if your bonuses are strong, who will take the sale? Strong one? Type strong if you type strong bonuses. Type strong bonuses if you understand this Bonus Wizard strategy. Okay, type strong bonuses. Strong bonuses to beat the competition to dust. Awesome, lovely. All right, strong bonuses. Yes, lovely, amazing. So guys, that's it. This was our $1 million formula, which we have been using, which is unbeatable. Now these are the 2 funnel types. Use multiple funnel types. Okay, Review Wizard is something which is very famous right now. Then there is YouTube funnel as well. And there are different funnels we use, of course, but for the sake of the presentation of this particular day, I will keep our bonuses limited to this. I mean the strategies limited to this. All right, so incentivize people with bonuses in order to win the sale. Okay, that's what we do. Now let's talk about this. So guys, things you need to remember while doing affiliate marketing. Very important things, right? So guys, value first, sales second is the mantra. Value first, sales second is the mantra. Always, always, always. It's a request. Okay, it's a request. Build your email list, build your Facebook group, build your Telegram community, build your WhatsApp group. Just please build it with interested people in that particular niche. It is going to always help you. Okay? And maintain a relationship by having a two-way connect and build trust by showing up. Every day show up. Okay? Add value by providing some form of information to them, right? Or answering their queries. that is going to actually help you to gain their trust. And then always and always and always incentivize people to make decisions. Bonuses, okay? Please give them bonuses. Very, very important. And these are the 4 important steps which are absolute essential while doing affiliate marketing. I've just gone ahead and revised it for you. Now, things not to do while affiliate marketing. If you do not treat it as a real business, then it is going to fail. If you do not bring value to the table and if you are being extra salesy, it's going to fail. If you're not going to build the funnels and you're going to just share your link here and there in every group, in WhatsApp profiles, in YouTube famous videos, comments, nothing is going to happen, guys. If you go ahead and comment on somebody's Facebook, add your link, it's going to be ignored. It's just ad who's getting more popularity, and more so that guy can block you any single instant, right? So it's not a way to get asking people to DM you. It's not going to actually get you more sales either. So you need to do proper marketing. Okay, these are the parts. And then if you don't take action, obviously you're going to fail. Anyways, I mean, it's not really failure. It's like not trying, right? How can somebody eat a food without trying to eat food, right? All right. Let me ask you one question. You have asked me so many questions. You have been answering so many questions. Now let me ask you. Now, irrespective, we have shared this information perhaps to more than 40,000 people in the last 4 months. Okay, the same exact information was shared